Machinami Takekobo Bamboo Craft Workshop. At the Machinami Takekobo Bamboo Craft Workshop, you can try traditional bamboo weaving with instruction from an expert craftsman. The name Takehara means bamboo field. Literally, take, bamboo, and hara, field. The town is famous for its bamboo and traditional art of bamboo weaving. The Takehara Bamboo Craft Promotion Association has more than 100 members dedicated to preserving and teaching traditional bamboo crafts. The group participates in and helps organize 4 major annual events and attractions, including a bamboo festival, a bamboo tunnel made entirely of bamboo strips, the Takehara Shokei no Michi Candle Festival, and the Machinami Takekobo Bamboo Craft Workshop. The Takehara Shokei no Michi Candle Festival is a 2-night illumination event during which the streets of the historic district are lit up with bamboo candles, lanterns, and other lights. The Machinami Takekobo Bamboo Craft Workshop is located in a remodeled merchant's workshop off the main street near Shorenji Temple. The workshop allows visitors to try traditional bamboo weaving by making a bamboo basket or pinwheel. Several artisans are in the workshop making items on a daily basis. Visitors can observe them in action or browse the various bamboo products for sale, such as bags, trays, and boxes. Outside the building is an open space with bamboo plants.